The Bend-Tech Dragon A400 is the essential CNC tube production machine. The Dragon A400 improves your bottom line by increasing your production's efficiency and accuracy through automation. Made in the United States of America, this production machine is built to the highest quality standards. The tool changer provides automated plasma cutting, engraving, and marking. Depending on the weight of the tube, loading the Dragon A400 is easy enough for one person to do quickly. A laser light helps the operator load the material to the correct spot every time. The self-centering chuck makes loading round, square, rectangle, angle, and channel profiles easy. The self-centering vice-like front gate handles tubes up to 400 pounds. The gate holds its position until changed. This saves time when running the same size material for multiple sticks. The Dragon A400 holds round, square, rectangle, channel, and angle profile materials as shown on the right. The Dragon A400 has 6 axes of movement. This is a fully automated machine that produces accurate parts quickly, saving you money. The complete automation provides a consistent cut tolerance of plus or minus 10 thousandths of an inch. All of this automation makes tube fabrication easy. Bend-Tech software has been the premier tube and pipe software since 2001. It is easy to learn quickly, and the software provides a fast way to import or design your parts. Any design of holes, end cuts, bends, or marks are possible with the Bend-Tech software. Once the parts are designed, our comprehensive nesting capabilities puts multiple parts on one tube. The control panel provides the operator with complete control of the Dragon A400. Once ready, click Start, and the machine does the rest. After clicking Start, the machine will carry out your job producing parts quickly and accurately. Here we are showing a variety of material types, sizes, thicknesses, and profiles being cut by plasma. Plasma cutting is a cost-effective way to improve the fabrication of tube and pipe in your shop. The marker accurately marks bend location and rotation marks, part numbers, and bend numbers. This provides an easy way to correctly line up your tube in the bender and get consistently good parts. The machine can engrave anything you want on the tube: text, bending information, part numbers, and more. The center support lifter moves while the material rotates to provide continuous leveling support for consistently accurate cutting. With the Dragon A400, your designs become a reality efficiently and accurately to improve your bottom line. Any design is possible with the Dragon A400. Straight cuts, round holes, square holes, copes, miters, DXF holes, compound notches, and more. The Dragon A400 can make anything out of tube, pipe, angle, and channel. Come visit our headquarters for a full tour. A Dragon technician will give you a live demonstration of the Dragon A400 and answer any questions. Request a sample package to see the cut quality on a variety of parts. Ask for a benchmark so you can see the cut quality with your parts. Contact our sales personnel for a comprehensive pricing guide. If you fabricate with a lot of tube or pipe, the Dragon A400 is the essential production machine for improving your bottom line.